Hello folks, you are welcome. Let's solve this question. They said we should show that the straight line y equals x plus 1 intersects the circle of this equation. Join me, let's solve this question. Very easy. So solution. Okay, so assuming this is our circle, and they said the straight line intersects the circle. So mean the straight line might intersect the circle this way. It will meet at 2 points, or it might intersect the circle at the tangent, meaning at 1 point, or it might not intersect at all. So they are asking us to show whether it's going to intersect at 2 points, 1 point, or it's not going to intersect at all. Let's do this. Very easy. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to write the equation of the circle which is being given, which is x squared plus y squared plus 18x plus 20y plus 81 equals 0. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the equation of the line to do the substitution. So we are going to substitute this into our equation of the circle. So wherever we see y, we are going to replace it with x plus 1. So it will be x squared plus, we have seen y here, so we are going to replace it with x plus 1. In this case, our y is squared, so our x plus 1 will be squared. Plus 18x plus 20y. In this case, we know our y is x plus 1, so we do that x plus 1, replace it, plus 81 equals 0. Very easy. So what are you going to do? You are going to expand this. So let's do that. X squared plus, when you expand this, x squared plus, multiply this by 2x, then you bring your variable x, plus you square this one, you get 1. This is how I expand x plus 1 all squared. Then I'll move on, plus 18x plus 20 times x, that's 20x. 20 times 1, that's positive 20, plus 81 equals 0. Good. So we are going to do what? Group like terms. That's good. So x squared will give us 2x squared. Plus, there's 2x here, 18x here. When you sum it up, you get 20x plus another 20x. What are you going to get? 40x. 1 plus 20, 21. 21 plus 81. We are going to get 102. So plus 102 equals 0. Now you have gotten this equation. So what are you going to do? This is a trinomial. What are you going to do? We are going to first of all reduce this so that it can be solved easily. So we divide 3 by 2. So when you divide 3 by 2, this one will become x squared. When you divide this by 2, this one will become 20x. When you divide this by 2, this one will become 51 equals 0. Now what are you going to do here? We are going to look for factors of 51. Those factors of 51, when you sum it up, you are still going to get 20x. And what are the factors? It's 17 and 3. So it will be 17 and 3. So x squared, we are doing factorization here. So 17x plus 3x plus 51 equals 0. So what's your next move? To group it, groupings. So group it into 2. Good. Hope you understand what you are doing here. Good. So your next move is to factorize your x out. So x will be out. Then bring your x here plus 17 plus, you have your 3 here, you have your 51 here. So your 3 will come out. Your x will be in, So 3 times 3x, it will remain as this, plus 3 times what will we get? 51, which is 17. So 3 17 is 51, all equals 0. So now what are you going to do? Your next move is to group the ones outside and the ones in the bracket. So the ones outside is x plus 3, x plus 3, and x plus 17. So this is how we do factorization. All equals 0. So x plus 3 equals 0. Let's write that one out. We take this, equate it to 0, work it out. So x plus 3 equals 0. We are going to get x as negative 3. And x plus 17 equals 0. We are going to get x as negative 17. In this case, we have gotten negative 13 and negative 17. Okay, now after this, what's our next move? Our next move is to plug this negative 3 into our equation of the straight line. So you know your equation of the straight line is given as y equals x plus 1. So when you plug in negative 3 into this, you are going to get wherever you see x, you put negative 3 there. So negative 3 plus 1, which will in turn give you negative 2. So our y equals negative 2. Meaning our point will be negative 3, negative 2. Remember, x coordinate first, followed by your y coordinates. So then let's move ahead to the negative 17. X equals negative 17. We are going to do the same thing. We are going to plug it in our equation of the line. So it will be y equals negative 17 plus 1, which will in turn give us negative 16. So meaning our y equals negative 16. So our x is negative 16. So our point will be x coordinate first, negative 17, followed by the y coordinate negative 16. So in this case, we have seen that, or we have shown that this straight line y equals x plus 1 passes or intersects these 2 points, this point and this point. So it intersects at 2 points, meaning our circle, this, which has this equation, was intersected this way. So meaning we are going to get 2 points. 2 points, negative 3, negative 2, and what again? Negative 17, negative 16. So we have done this very simple. Okay, please and please, if you do like my video, please share this among your friends and continue hitting on the bell notification icon. Thank you a lot.